said the end of school year, a time to say goodbye. We had so much fun together, and now it's time to fly. We learned our ABCs and what to read, explore the world through books and play, and we made along the way. Memories will cherish every day. We will miss our teachers and classmates, the fun we had today, but we will always remember the new garden. Our hearts, it will stay. Goodbye, goodbye. We will spread our wings and fly. We learn